Good morning, dear students. Hope all are fine. So today you are going to learn about social science, civics, and democracy. So, what is democracy? A government formed by people. So, what is democracy? A government formed by people. So, Abraham Lincoln defined as democracy for the people, by the people, of the people. So, Abraham Lincoln defined as democracy is for the people, by the people, and of the people. So, democracy, in this lesson, you are going to learn about to know the meaning of democracy. So, what is democracy? So, to know the meaning of democracy, to know the types of democracy. What are the types of democracy? You will going to learn. So, to know the structure of our constitution. So, last class we have learned about constitution. So, to know the aims of democracy. To know the aims of, what are the aims? Aims of democracy. Do you know September 15 is observed as a democracy day? September 15 is observed as a democracy day. So, the birthplace of democracy is Greece.
The teachers of Nallur Government High School were doing the final preparations for the program. Let us know the society. The Singaravelar hall was filled with students. The headmaster, Mr. Jiva, welcomed the chief guest of the day, Advocate Mr. Rajasekharan. When he brought the chief guest to the hall, the students observed silence. Mr. Bitto, the history teacher, welcomed the gathering. The chief guest, Mr. Rajasekharan, stood up to address the students. Beloved brothers and sisters, I thank you for inviting me to this program. I am not going to speak on this occasion. When he said this and paused, everyone looked at him in wonder. Democracy should be found everywhere, shouldn't it? So, I am going to converse with all of you, he said. He requested to give a microphone to the students. Mr. Rajasekharan said, first, let me ask you a question. Do you know what kind of society did the early men live in? In the beginning, they were hunters and gathered food. Later, they settled near rivers and practiced agriculture, said Deepika, a 6th standard student. So, in the beginning, they were hunters and gathered food. Later, they were settled near rivers and practiced agriculture. Yes, when man started to live in groups, tribes were formed. Every tribe had its own chief. These groups fought among themselves for land, water, and other resources. Those who emerged victorious formed kingdoms by uniting the other tribal groups. These kingdoms later integrated to form empires. So, Arun questioned, so the chief would have become the king, wouldn't he? Yes, that was how monarchies ruled by kings were formed. So, what is the meaning of monarchies? A system of government ruled by king or queen. What is the meaning of monarchies? A system of government ruled by king or queen. Yes, that was monarchies ruled by kings were formed. Suganya asked, was this how monarchy emerged in our country too? Yes, this was how the system of monarchy formed throughout the world. Also, our country was ruled by kings and emperors, and they came under the British rule. The students answered together, after centuries of struggle and many sacrifice, we got freedom from British colonialism. We adopted democracy as a ruling system when our country got freedom, said Rajasekaran. Devarajan asked him, "What is democracy?" When you start a sports club, you will share the responsibilities. Then you would enjoy its benefits but share the income and expenditure, wouldn't you? Similarly, the citizens of a country, their representatives through elections. Thus, they take part in direct governance of a country. This is termed democracy. In a democratic form of government, a considerable amount of power lies with the people of that nation. People can participate in the politics of the country and the decision making process. There are different types of democracy. The citizens of our country select their representatives through elections. Thus, they take part in the direct governance of a country. This is termed democracy. In a democratic form of government, a considerable amount of power lies within the people of the nation. People can participate in the politics of the country and decision making process. There are different types of democracy. What are the different types of democracy? Types of democracy. There are various types of democracy in practice around the world. Among these, direct democracy and representative democracy are the most popular forms of government. The birthplace of democracy is Greece. Remember, the birthplace of democracy is Greece. So there are two types of democracy in practice. What are the democracies? Direct democracy, representative democracy. Direct democracy. In a direct democracy, only the citizens can make laws. All changes have to approved by the citizen. The politicians only rule over the parliamentary procedures. Switzerland has had a long history of successful direct democracy. Remember, Switzerland has had a long history of a successful direct democracy. Representative democracy. Imagine that your sports club has more number of members now. Is it possible for hundreds of them gather and discuss to take various decisions? No, sir. In that case, all the members should be represented by a group of representatives, shouldn't they? Yes, agreed the students in union. So, those group members will administrate the sports club on behalf of all other members. To select these representatives, election are held. For example, many contest for the post head, secretary, treasurer and members of the administration group. In the end, those who gain maximum number of votes will be given the post. On behalf of the other members, they obtain the power to take decisions in democratic manner. This is termed as representative democracy. So, what is representative democracy? Representative democracy is a types of democracy founded on the principle of elected officials representing a group of people. Democracy. So, we have already seen about the democracies and its types. It's a direct democracy, Switzerland. Representative democracy, India, USA, England. Direct democracy, laws and rules, votes and the people. Representative democracy, India, USA, England, laws and rules, elected representatives, votes, the people. People should votes and they elected the representatives. and make the laws and rules. These are the representative democracy. In direct democracy, people votes and laws and rules. People make the laws and rules. Examples of direct democracy is Switzerland. Representative democracy. What is mean by democratic decision making? So representative democracy, parliamentary democracy, India and England, presidential democracy, USA and Canada. In the system of democracy, the power to take decision does not lie with head. So on the contrary, a group holds the power but adheres to the rules and regulations. All the members of the group hold open decisions and take final decisions only when everyone is convinced. This is called a democratic way of decision making. Do you know, in 2007, the UNO General Assembly resolved to observe 15th September as the International Day of Democracy. So, the 15th September is observed as the International Day of Democracy. So, are the rules and regulations to govern our country like the rules and regulations of this group? Yes. In highly populated country like India, if people want to live peacefully, they have to follow certain rules and regulations, right, and duties properly. Hence, the Constitution of India guides us in all these aspects and plays an important role in maintaining law and order. Representative democracy. What is representative democracy? In the system of democracy, the power to take decision does not lie with the head. On the contrary, a group holds the power but adheres to the rules and regulations. All the members of group hold open discussion and take a final decision only the everyone is convinced. This is called a democratic way of decision making. So, what is democratic? A government formed by the people. So, in the democratic way of representative does not lie with the head. The decisions does not lie with the head. A group holds the power but adheres to rules and regulations. What is the meaning of adhere? Adhere means hold on. The group holds the power. The group holds the power, the rules and regulations. All the member group hold open discussion and take final decisions only when everyone is convinced. So, what are the rights given in our constitution? Rights of constitution. Our constitution ensures freedom, equality and justice to everyone. It defines the political principles, the structures of the government institutions and methods to follow these rules and regulations, the powers and responsibilities, and also it fixes the rights and duties and the directive principles of citizens. Thus, our constitution provides a structure to us. Do you know, Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. It is drafted by the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. That is why we call him the chief architect of our constitution. That is why we call him the chief architect of our constitution. The aims of democracy. What are the aims of democracy? Democracy is defined as government of the people, for the people and by the people. So, in democracy, the power is vested in the hands of people. The people should have rights to take decisions. Everyone cannot participate in decision making. So, the representative government elected by the people to form a democratic system. All those who attain the age of 18 are given the voting rights to elect the representative. At the same time, the representatives have the responsibility to protect the welfare of the people. World democracy. The New Zealand is the first country to allow women to vote in 1983. New Zealand is the first country to allow women to vote in 1983. Voting rights to women were given in 1918 and 1920 in the UK and USA respectively. Voting rights to women were given in 1918 and 1920 in the UK and USA respectively. Many leaders like Mahatma Gandhi kept insisting on giving voting rights to all. Now in India, all the people above 18 years of age enjoy universal adult franchise. So, the World Statistical Data on Democracy declares that 79% of the Indian citizens have faith in democratic system. Hence, India ranks first among the democratic countries in the world. Glossary. Democracy. A government formed by the people. Democracy. A government formed by the people. Election. A process by which a representative is chosen. A process by which a representative is chosen. Decision. To make up one's mind. Decision. To make up one's mind. Government. A group of people with a authority to govern a country. Government. A group of people with a authority to govern a country. Recap. Government of the people, by the people, for the people is defined as democracy. Government of the people, by the people, for the people is defined as democracy. Direct democracy. Direct democracy and representative democracy are the types of democracy. There are two types of democracy: direct democracy and representative democracy. Our constitution ensures freedom, equality, and justice to everyone. Our constitution ensures freedom, equality, and justice to everyone. Indian constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. Indian constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. Hope you understand the lesson. Thank you, students.